Morning everyone. I have corn that I'm going to boil. I will put some water first. And some salt. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I'm going to save this water and I'm gonna drink it. Now, let's see first. I will switch. And I will cook the vegetable that I harvest from my garden earlier. My little vegetables. So I will make a gisa-gisa. I will saute the garlic and onion. So I got some. So I got fish that I grilled and sitaw. I have 2 pieces of okra. And I got malunggay. Okay, let's start. And have some oil. This is a vegetable oil. And I have a huge wooden spoon for cooking. See how long is that spoon? You can make for a palo-palo when you wash your clothes. The reason why I bought this one, that's why I don't get burned in a pot. See how far my arm to the edge of the pan. So that's the purpose, the reason why I bought this spoon. So let's wait until this. But anyway, how's everyone today? I will use this seasoning. Knorr chicken bouillon. And I will put a black pepper and little bit salt. Okay, now I got some minced garlic. Okay, friends. If the bottle is hard to open by your hand, you can use the spoon. You know that the part of the can or the bottle. You just have to put your spoon here and then tap it. And then try to open. If it's still not opening, try another one until it open up. So, now it's easy to open. It smells so good. Oh, I love garlic so much. So good. Garlic, it's sour. It says minced garlic in water. The good thing I taste it first before I use it. It's sour, so I'm not gonna use it. And I have another one. It's a garlic salt. So I will taste it first. Make sure I will like the taste. If not, I'm just gonna get one that I already crushed in the freezer. This one too salty. So this is all came from the market. When you buy something from the market, make sure you taste it first. That's why you don't regret it. You're not tasting before using, or else you're gonna throw away what you cook because you're not gonna like the taste. Okay, let's see. Okay, I got this from the freezer, a frozen one. This is what I do when I bought so many. I peel them and crush them and put in a freezer. And I have pepper. This onion first. My husband bought this corn yesterday. He went to the market. I asked him to buy some fruits, and he got me the fruits. He got me the fruits, but he did not told me that he bought the corn. So I went, when I opened the fridge, that's what I saw, corn. So this is the fruits that he bought yesterday. It's mango, avocado. I bought this one from different store. Korean melon. And got some peaches. And apple. The cucumber. Banana and plantain. Plantain is Mexican banana. And I have this sweet tamarind. And he got this watermelon and cantaloupe. So the good thing, I saw the corn in the fridge when I went to get something, or else it's gonna be sitting there. Because we move our fridge in the freezer in the garage, because we're gonna have some work on our floor. So that's why inside the house right now is a messy. It's a big mess inside the house. We've been moving stuff out inside the house, and most of them already went to the donation. Garlic. This is not so far. Onion and garlic in the oil. So now I will put the fish that I grilled here. This is a red snapper. 3 pieces of red snapper. We need to turn on the exhaust fan. On the light. The exhaust. Hot pepper. Then this black pepper. And the Knorr cube. It's funny because I bought the Knorr cubes at the store and I forgot that I already have one in a pantry. So this one's still sealed. Smell fishy. Smell something fishy. Now I will put acetal. Let me taste if it's hot. little bit hot. There's a kick in my tongue. Good. It tastes good. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Oh, it's good, good. It's good. Just a little bit. Appetizing. Okay, I'm gonna add some ginger. This is how the way I cook. I always add a little bit of something and a little bit something of that. But usually I use garlic, ginger, onion, something like that. And if I want spicy, I put this pepper for crush. Okay, where is that? Just wait until it boils. So I put this bagoong in one of the Filipino store. So I will try to put a little bit of this. Okay. Hey friends, look at this. I thought it's bagoong. It's a lechon sauce. Oh, sarap. Very masarap. Mali ang ating nadampot. Ay, go. So this one, it's good for chicken. Sausawan. Yung sauce niya. Sarap sa ano, lechong manok. Ay! Ay, good. Make a mess. I just put a little bit of this. This is all lutong bahay. Yan, masarap na. Half cook pa yung ating sitaw. Sitaw is still half cooked. I will cook 2 pieces of okra. I will put a little bit brown sugar. Put the malunggay. I put the malunggay here in this food cover. That's why I can drain the water. is almost finished. I'm gonna turn off the stove. This is it. The finished product. I did not put the pepper because it's too hot, too spicy. It's good. Let's check this corn. Alright, bye for now.